Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open a Charles Schwab account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your particular app on your phone. And now right away this kind of interface gonna pop up, which includes login ID on top and the open an account option. Tap on open an account. Now simply go ahead, choose a purpose. Let's go ahead, small business. I'm going to open a participate simpler era, and now open an account. It will differ in depending on the purpose that you choose. And you can see, let's open your simple IRA. What can you do with it's gonna simply give you the brief of it. Now I'm going to tap on this option to get started, or you can also choose to contact them right away. Now go ahead and enter your you can see personal details right over here, including everything, your date of birth, social email address, and everything, and tap on continue for further step. You simply have to complete the given 5 steps to complete it in total. Once you have completed that, you will be able to open. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.